Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert UPDF to PDF. So let's get straight into it. Now, if you have a file already in, what you need to do is just select it, and then here at the top right corner, you will see this disk icon and click on next to it. And here you will see you have a bunch of options. So you can save as PDF, save as PDF EX, and so on. You can also save to UPDF Cloud, or you can just simply share it. Now, also what we can do here is that we also can import some different files. So let's try with a different one with example of Word document. So now, as you can see, it will creating PDF, so we need to wait a little bit. So now we have it right here. And the same what we can do, simply just save it. Sorry, here, this, and we can save it now as PDF. Now we just need to select where we want to have it. So let's say something like that. And now it will convert from UPDF to the PDF. And let me just open up now. So as you can see right here, I have it here. And if I open up this, it's now in basically in PDF format. And this is basically how we can convert UPDF to PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next